How to permanently delete your Messenger account. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Messenger account permanently. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now once you are logged in, tap on this menu icon right here. Now tap on settings, tap on it. Here scroll down and you can see the account center right here. Tap on see more in account center. Now here in the account settings option, you will see personal details. Tap on personal details. And here you can see account ownership and controls. Tap on it. Now you can see deactivation or deletion. Tap on it like this. Now tap on Facebook. Now you can see deactivate account. It means that the deactivation is temporary. If you want to temporarily delete your account, just tap on deactivate account. But if you want to delete permanently, tap on this delete account right here, and your account will be permanently deleted. So tap on delete account and tap on continue, and you can just enter your region from here. Now tap on continue and tap on continue again. Now all you have to do is scroll down and tap on continue. Now you need to re-enter your password to continue. Just re-enter your password. Okay, once you re-enter your password, tap on continue. And once you do that, tap on delete account again. Now once you open the Messenger, you can see your account has already been deleted. It will take some time to remove this, so you can just know that the account is already deleted. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.